सांगशील तरी ना काय काय आहे ते?
नाही तुला करायचंय.
हा वेळे पण आहे. चल काय कशाने लावतात ते तरी सांग ना. काही बोटाने लावतात, काही ब्रशने लावतात.
यू हॅव फुल फ्रीडम. तुला हाताने लावायचंय हाताने लाव, ब्रशने लावायचंय ब्रशने लाव.
मी 2 मिनिटात सगळं आटपणार आहे जेवढं जमेल तेवढं.
हा
ए वेडे पण आहे का तू? अगोदर बघू शकत
अरे
नाही.
यू कांट सी आधी.
हे सुप्रिया मी नाही करत. चल अरे मला काय कळत नाही तर बघू तर द्या.
आधीच का मी शिफ्ट करेन.
बघा.
मी टेबल शिफ्ट करेन ना. मम्मा पप्पा सगळं बघ. मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आहात तुम्ही.
नाही, पण व्हॉट एव्हर आय डू बेस्ट.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you know, obviously you know by the title that my dad's going to do my makeup today. So no wonder I'm looking like a peeled potato right now because I have nothing on my face. But also there's a twist in the video. I'm moving way too much. There's going to be a twist. So what we are going to do is we are going to ask each other. No, my mom's going to ask us questions. And जिसको भी एक दूसरे के बारे में ज़्यादा पता होगा wins that point, and whoever gets the maximum number of points gets to decide what the other person is going to do, like any task or not truth dare या फिर कुछ. And मैंने अभी तक डैड को नहीं बताया है, so let's get rolling. Hi guys, so today as you all know my dad is going to do my makeup, and let's welcome him without delaying the video further. 1 2 3 welcome. He's my dad. Hi बोल.
हॅलो.
तुला steps माहिती आहेत in what order to go?
नो.
Do you know what goes on face? What all products go on face? ह्या सगळ्यांमधले.
I'll do whatever I want.
हाँ?
See, if any person who doesn't know anything about French except the word French cannot speak French language. In a similar
ये भी
manner,
cut करना है.
I know only about makeup. I have heard this word, nothing else. So please bear with me.
Sir?
चलो do.
मी हे edit करणार आहे.
किती लाल झाले असून.
First, I'll explain in brief what few products mean, as he has no knowledge of makeup except that I do it and he doesn't like it. हे eyeshadow palettes आहेत आणि ह्याच्यात highlighter, blush आणि contour चे हे आहेत. So we'll start the video.
What is this? What is this?
Figure out ना.
Oh no. Lipstick.
हाँ.
God help me.
Okay, so we'll start. Okay. आणि हाँ, 1 second. Also, आपण mama will ask us few questions, common questions दोघांना, like favorite color or whatever. आणि you are supposed to answer for me. I am supposed to answer for you.
No.
Yes, yes.
We'll give one thing at a time.
अरे,
One thing at a time. You
make
have the idea.
coffee.
So you have a clear picture in front of you.
I don't. मी सगळं इंटरनेट वरून घेतलंय.
Okay. Wish me luck.
Mama ask. पहिला क्वेश्चन विचार.
फेवरेट मूवी दोघांनी एकमेकांचं
फेवरेट मूवी. हिंदी इंग्लिश.
हिंदी
हिंदी मी कन्फ्यूज आहे. आयदर शोले और सिंघम. शोले.
Both.
So I get a point.
Yes.
You say mine now.
Anything of Shahid Kapoor.
No, you say one movie. Which the movie that I like doesn't have Shahid Kapoor.
Kabir Singh.
पप्पा काय झालं?
हॅलो
अरे मम्मा.
भोग आता आपल्या कर्माची फळं.
अरे मम्मा मॉइश्चरायझर.
डू दिस.
Your favorite movie is Padmash Company. Three Idiots.
No.
Surrender.
दिल चाहता है.
I was about to say that. Dil Chahta is my favorite movie.
But your favorite is Sholay na all time. You can watch it over and over again and you know all the dialogues, scene to scene. The script writer ला माहिती नसेल तेवढं you know. पप्पा.
यू कांट से
भोग
एनीथिंग
आता आपल्या
नाउ.
कर्माची फळं.
हाँ. Second question.
Favorite food.
Favorite
Food.
food.
Favorite food तुझं?
Hmm.
Favorite food तू मला guess कर तोपर्यंत.
Pasta.
No. Only 3 guesses allowed, huh? Not pasta. Papa.
Give me some time now. I'm focusing here.
Your
I think this is
favorite
enough.
food
She's
is
looking good.
Papa favorite food.
Food means drinks also or only food?
Only food.
You're taking so much time. I'm a foodie.
You know? हाँ तो you like everything. You don't like everything but you like everything.
As a formality, I just want to have this.
His favorite food is chicken biryani.
Wallah.
I get 2 points. He shouldn't have said yes. माझा सांग.
Finishing powder has to be applied after finishing the makeup. No? What? Whatever it is. Chalo.
You have to ask, decide mine. Favorite food.
Burger.
कधी मला बर्गर आवडला. माझा फेवरेट फूड विच आय कीप ऑन ऑर्डरिंग सारखं आता बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड आपण नाही
Pizza.
ऑर्डर करत.
Both are same. Huh?
मम्माचं एक्सप्रेशन बघितलं. होली है.
Which character you like? Harry Potter or Avengers?
कॅरेक्टर ना मूवी.
Sorry, movie. हाँ.
हॅरी पॉटर और अवेंजर्स फॉर पप्पा. अवेंजर्स.
This is 2 in 1. Your makeup also and hair coloring.
हेयर
also.
ऑल्सो.
Harry Potter के
अवेंजर्स. अवेंजर्स फॉर एवर. हॅरी पॉटर और अवेंजर्स.
निहारिका.
Avengers.
Avengers. तू त्यांच्या ग्रेट
आय एम गोइंग टू
नाव
हॅव
सांग.
मेजर ब्रेकआउट्स उद्या.
त्यांच्या ग्रेट ग्रँडफादरचं नाव.
What is this? What are you using?
Concealer.
Huh. What are you supposed to do with a concealer?
I don't know. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have time.
Question. विसर तू.
ग्रेट
एवढी
ग्रँडफादर.
engrossed
ग्रेट ग्रँडफादरचं नाव सांग तुला बोलली मी.
माझ्या
त्यांच्या.
त्यांच्या
हं.
त्यांच्या
हं.
आय डोंट नो. मला फक्त ग्रँडफादर माहिती आहे. त्याचे ग्रँडफादर आहे ना.
You should not ask those questions, huh? Okay.
का?
Of which I also don't know the answer.
Of which he also doesn't know.
Which is the food that you hate the most?
The food that
The
we
food you hate
the
the
food
most.
that you hate the most.
I hate the most.
I'm supposed to answer.
It's very easy.
Capsicum.
This is what?
This is mascara.
Mascara.
पप्पा मी ओपन करून देते.
I'll use it afterwards. This is highlighter.
हाँ. Oh, you know where to put it. तू बघितलं पप्पा? How do you know where to put it? Food that I hate the most.
Huh?
Food that I hate the most.
Kobe.
Kobe.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. I hate it.
Close your eyes, please, and raise your eyebrows.
You definitely have seen this somewhere. You have seen this.
Close your eyes and raise your eyebrows.
This is not television for sure. Mama, next question.
No, I want to see this. Because even I don't
Raise
know.
your eyebrows.
Dancing or singing?
Who? She.
I like the most dancing or singing.
Dancing.
Dancing. And for him?
Hmm?
For him.
Dancing or singing?
तो दोन्ही करतोस खूप जास्त डान्सिंग.
Both. Actually both.
Select one.
Dancing.
Sincerely,
Hmm? Not
Sincerely.
sincerely.
How many points?
Four.
4?
Three.
Three.
3. Lipstick. Favorite color तुझा? Sky blue.
Hmm.
माझा?
Pink.
No. यार
Please don't ask me questions, yaar. Please.
अरे my favorite color.
Lips.
Lips.
Wait. Do that what? Mama.
Mama.
Bas, yeah.
Enough? That's it? Next question. You have so much left.
Then what you said? Eyeshadow, na? Where is eyeshadow?
Done ना माझा लॅव्हेंडर आहे. सो ह्याला हा पॉइंट नाही मिळत. लॅव्हेंडर ते couldn't have guessed only.
Lipstick. Everything is done here. This is also done. This I don't know whether. What?
डोळ्यांचं काय केलं?
I'm looking for eyeshadow, na? This is eyeshadow. Okay. This is what?
Eyeliner, blue color eyeliner.
And black color, where it is? No, I don't know. Where is black? Eyeliner, what is meant by that?
आय
Eyeliner.
शॅडो लावायचं ना पहिलं त्याला. आय शॅडो.
Mama, you're helping now, huh? So, Papa, my score is. Huh? You don't do that, Mama. She's giving hints. She's giving hints. No. You apply however you want. This is your canvas today.
Oh no!
I regret saying that.
वाह सुंदर लग रहा है.
Oh, sorry.
Do
Wait,
I
wait,
look
wait,
like
wait.
an Egyptian queen right now? Think how you can beautify this
Space or underwater?
space or underwater.
No, wait. Look down.
I think Dad would prefer space. Huh, Papa?
Hmm?
Space.
No, I didn't.
Where would you like to go? Deep underwater or space? I said space for you.
Space.
Space? Right है का तू हमारा थोड़ी guess कर.
In a safe environment,
हाँ.
underwater.
So I lose this point. Where would I go?
Space.
Yes.
Endgame or Sholay? Given a chance to watch
हम
one
ही
movie
केला है.
on big screen.
Endgame
Endgame or
tough
Sholay?
है. Papa likes Sholay a lot, but he would like to watch on a big screen. I think Endgame.
Endgame or Sholay on a big
माझ्यासाठी तर
screen.
खूप easy है.
Of course. Endgame.
Endgame.
She also Endgame.
Endgame.
दोनों को equal.
Avengers for life.
Now there are equal points, huh?
No, you're still 1 point behind me or 2 points.
No way.
I will check the recording.
No way.
Papa.
Given a chance, travel to past or future.
Achha, it should be open like this.
Papa, where would I like to travel? To the past or
Wait.
future?
I said, let me focus here.
Pa.
You future.
Yes. You. Past or future?
Future. No, past. Anytime past.
Now we are equal then.
Now equal.
हाँ.
Now favorite
Papa?
actor. Beautiful.
ना त्याला black लागेल.
तो काय बोलत होते मला ब्लॅक
You
काढायचं
can't say.
अरे he spoiled the sponge.
Wait. Keep your eyes clear.
Plain.
Then it's normal. I have messed up with everything.
Papa, what are you doing?
Yeah. Give me a wet tissue paper. डोळ्याच्या वर पण लागलं यार.
Favorite actor.
तुझा पप्पाचा.
धर्मेंद्र
हा, of course.
or that टकलू. काय नाव आहे त्याचं?
So many favorite actors, but in past, Dharmendra,
ट्रान्सफॉर्मर ट्रान्सपोर्टर मध्ये जो आहे
Jason Statham. I have so many favorite.
जेसन स्टॅथम.
Everything is done now. It's already done.
Wait, माझे eyes open आहेत.
Okay, close your eyes, please. Wait. Yeah, on nose also. At
Done.
last, done.
This smells like alcohol.
Let him smell it.
Pa! So rate my makeup from 1 to 10. Pa.
Where is that blush?
Now you
Which
want
I
to.
did. Hey God, help me.
डॅडने मला लिटरली असं फाउंडेशन लावले आज.
काय टेन्शन